In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF bank statement to Xero. We'll walk through this process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to your Xero account and that you have your bank statement saved and ready, ideally as a PDF or in a format Xero supports after conversion. Also, double check you're working in the correct Xero organization so your data ends up in the right place. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and move your cursor to that and click on Accounting. This is where Xero groups most of the tools related to your finances, including bank accounts, reports, and transactions. After you click Accounting, a drop-down or a new page will appear with several options. From this list, select Bank Accounts. Click on Bank Accounts to open the section where all of your connected and manually added bank accounts are displayed. Here, you'll see each account that has been set up in Xero, usually with its name, balance, and some quick links for managing it. Take a moment to confirm you can see the specific bank account you want to import your statement into. Importing to the wrong account can cause reconciliation issues, so it's worth a quick check. If the account isn't there, you may need to add it first in Xero, but for now we'll assume it's already set up and visible. Next, within the bank accounts page, look for an option that says Import a bank statement. This might appear as a button or a link near the account, or at the top right of the page, depending on your Xero layout. Click on Import a bank statement. This is the key step that opens the import tool, where you'll be able to select your statement file, upload it, and then proceed with mapping and checking the transactions. At this stage, Xero will guide you through choosing the file from your computer and confirming the details. Once you've done that, you're ready to continue with the normal bank reconciliation process. And that's it for this walkthrough of how to import a PDF bank statement to Xero.